Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Gregory Martire, your local real estate expert here in the greater Philadelphia area. We're talking about cost versus value. What things am I going to do to my house to either sell it or just to improve it that I'm going to get the most value out of? Well, here's the thing. Most buyers, now this information is according to NAR, the National Association of Realtors. So if you don't like the information, go tell them. Don't tell me. No, but seriously, they're good people there and they do have good data. So most buyers want a house that's fixed up. Most buyers. They want a place that they don't have to do a lot of work to. Most of them want that, more than 2/3. So the best bang for your buck, where can I get the most money back, is flooring. Believe it or not, it's flooring. You get almost 150% increase. On the low end is gonna be kitchens and baths. Now it's not low, like I don't get dollar for dollar, but if you put a $100,000 kitchen in your house, let's say, you're not gonna get $100,000 back. In fact, the national average is less than 100% back. But you are going to get close to dollar for dollar for that. So the best bang for your buck is flooring. It's cosmetics. It's flooring, it's painting, it's fixtures, it's handrails, it's doorknobs, it's hinges, small, cheap items. Forgive me, I know flooring isn't that cheap, but you'll get the most money back for it because it appears new, it looks new, it's beautiful, it's brand new, it's not rickety. Bang! That's the best, say it again, bang for your buck. Cost versus value. The worst thing you could do is upgrade too heavily in kitchens and baths. I'm not saying don't do that, but what I am saying is don't over improve. So I'm not saying get the cheapest stuff, and you definitely don't want to put gold in the walls. I think you know what I'm doing. We want to be above a builder's grade. We want to be above average. So average and above. Now, if you like something that's really nice and expensive, that's great, but don't expect to get tippy top dollar back out of your marble or out of your lace out of your diamond-coated doorknobs. I think you catch my drift. If you want some other helpful hints about how to improve your house, whether you're selling or maybe you're looking for a house to buy, or if you're just thinking, what is the best money that I can put into my home for best future value, hit us up anytime. Have a great day, everybody.